In this video, I'm going to show you how to add multiple photos on Snapchat Story. Now, in order for us to get this done, it's actually quite simple. So I have here this particular thing here. I can just go ahead and drag this up in order for my memories to pop out. Now, from here, what you're going to do is just click this one right here in order for you to basically select multiple photos. Now, I'm going to go ahead and select, say, for example, about 9 photos in total. And then I can go ahead and basically click this one right here. And then here are the stories. I can basically click this one, my story for friends only, or I can also go ahead and click this one in order to share it to the public. So again, go ahead and choose which one you prefer, say for example, friends only. And then I'm going to go ahead and click this one right here in order to send them to my story. As you can see, it is doing its job right now. All right, and then it says added to story. Now let's go ahead and check them out. Now I'm going to go ahead and click my profile here on the upper left. And once I'm here, I can just go ahead and scroll down and look for my story and then click that one over there. And you can see now that we have successfully added all of the images here in our story. And that is how you are going to get this done, everybody. I hope this video helps you out.